Hello guys, how's it going? In this video I'm going to be talking about the left strip method in Python. Now the left strip method removes any leading characters. Those are the characters on the left side of the string, and space is a default leading character to be removed. So this is how the syntax look like. As we can see, we have a one optional parameter, and this is a set of characters which is to be removed as a leading characters. So the method will return a copy of string with leading white spaces. Now, if an optional parameter is specified, it will remove the characters from this optional parameter instead. Okay, so let's look at some examples. In the first example, we have not specified the optional parameter, so it is going to remove all the white spaces. Now in the previous video I talked about all the white spaces that are considered white spaces in Python. Now in this case it has removed the space, the new tab or the tab and the space again only from the left side, and it kept all the white spaces on the right side. Now in the second example we have specified the optional parameter with three individual characters, and the method will remove uh, all the characters which are specified in as an argument, and as we can see in this case it removed only the dot since the first character and since this character has not been specified. Now this can be useful if we want to remove characters only from the left side of the string, and we don't want to do anything on the right side of the string. So for example, if you want to remove the HTTPS from the link, we could do it like so. We can just specify the parameters or the characters that we want to remove. As we can see, here are two T's or double T's. I specified only a single T and a single forward slash because it's not necessarily to specify twice. Only once will suffice. So let's run this. And yeah, as we can see, the method has removed the HTTPS column, two forward slashes from the strings as we expected. Yeah, so this is the left strip method, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching.